this tutorial, I'll show you how can you turn on require friend request on WeChat app. To turn on require friend request on WeChat app, you'll have to follow these simple steps. But before that, make sure to update your application to the latest version. If not, head over to your Play Store and update it so. After updating your application, you want to go ahead and log into your account. And when you are logged in, you want to click on the Me button at the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. As you click on it, you'll be taken to the profile info section. Here you want to go ahead and click on settings, which is right at the bottom. As you go to settings, you'll be taken to you'll be able to find a lot of options, but then you want to go to the privacy section, and under privacy you want to click on friends permission. As you go to friends permission, you could find a list of options right on this page as well. So here you want to click or toggle the button for require friend request. Once you have actually done it, so this indicates you've turned on require friend request on WeChat app. So that is the simplest way you could turn on require friend request on WeChat app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.